What's up guys, welcome back to a new video, or welcome if you are new here. I'm Jaisha and this video is going to be a little vlog of me getting my brows done. I am like so nervous, anxious, excited, but let me explain. I'm getting my brows microbladed or microshaded. I don't know the exact term, but let me turn off this noise. Yeah, I'm a little bit nervous, but I know I'm gonna love it. I know I'm gonna love the results and the outcome. And microblading is just like basically semi-permanent tattoo where they shade in your brows and they look amazing for the next 3 to 5 years. So I'm excited to not really have to do my brows every single day anymore, and they just look perfect. These are my natural brows. I don't think I really ever show them, but yeah, that's what I'm about to go do. I'm excited and I know I'm gonna love it, but also just a little bit nervous because I've never done anything to my face and I don't have any tattoos. Tattoos have never been my thing. I hate needles, absolutely hate, am terrified of needles. So like that's part of why just tattoos are not my thing. I don't have piercings aside from my ears. Yeah, so I don't really know what to expect. It says the pain is like minimal. It says like just slight discomfort, but I'm also a punk when it comes to pain as well. So I don't know. She uses a numbing cream, like a topical anesthetic, so it's gonna be fine. I don't know what to expect, but yeah, I'm excited just to see how it looks and for it to be done and for my brows to wake up every day with perfect brows. So yeah, I'm gonna show all of that. I'm gonna try to show like as much of the process as I can, and then the healing. I might look crazy for a couple of days, I don't know, but we'll see how that goes, and I'm taking you along for the ride. Now I love the summertime, but good lord, it is hot, and that's the other part that got me a little bit nervous, I guess, because I'm not supposed to, like, in the healing process, which I don't know how long it's gonna take. She's gonna let me know, but I'm not supposed to have my brows in the direct sunlight or like be sweating or anything like that while they are healing, and that's gonna be kind of hard in June. So I maybe should have done this in like November, but I've been putting this off for so long. I want to get it done. I want to have it done. I should have done it a long time ago, but yeah. I'll have to see what the instructions are for aftercare and the healing process and all that stuff, which she's gonna give me, but luckily I'm not going on vacation anytime soon. I'm all done and I freaking love it. They look so perfect. Ooh. I'm sorry y'all, I did not get a lot of footage because I'm just not a good vlogger. I feel super weird vlogging in front of people, which is something I'm just gonna have to get used to. But yeah, it was a cool, I'm not gonna say it was a cool experience. I mean, I'm happy with how they look. I'm very happy with how they look. I just told her I want it to be as natural as possible, enhancing my natural brows, like what I already have. I don't need like a different shape or like arches or anything like that. And she was super sweet, and then like the procedure was pretty simple. She mapped out my brows first and had me, you know, look at it and see if I liked it. Is this the shape I want? Does everything look good? Do we want to change anything? And then we went in with, she had to do an outline first without numbing cream, and that part was the most uncomfortable. But then once the outline is done, then she uses the numbing cream, and I didn't feel anything after that. I wouldn't say it was quick. What time is it? I can't see the time. It is 1:41. My appointment started at 11, started on time, so about 2.5 hours, which is what she estimated. Yeah, I'm just excited to see how it goes over the next couple days, weeks, how it heals and all that stuff. It is so hot. I had to put my hair up. I can't even be bothered with how hot it is because yesterday was so humid. It's still humid, but like the humidity just totally got to my hair. I don't know why. I'm not gonna be able to do these twist outs in the summertime with the humidity because it's just not gonna last. I gotta figure something out. Anyways, so yeah, she mapped out my brows. I loved it. Like, so then we just moved forward with the tattooing process. The first part was no numbing, when she had to do the outline, or like breaking the skin is what they call it, and then the numbing goes. The pain level, it's a little bit painful. I would say on a scale of 1 to 10, that part is like maybe a 2 or a 3. So it's not terrible in terms of pain. I'm sure if you have a tattoo, like a body tattoo, you're probably used to that probably feels worse than what I just did. But right now there is a little bit of soreness. Like, it's very tender, not very, but it's pretty sore, pretty tender to the touch. She did put some aloe vera gel, and she gave me some instructions for aftercare. I cannot be, I can't have my brows in direct sunlight, no swimming or steam or washing, like getting the brows wet. They're gonna start to flake off in a couple of days. What else did she say? I don't know. It was just, overall, it was a good experience. I love how they look. Woo! I'm so excited. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on how the healing process goes over the next couple of days. Apparently they're gonna get very like flaky and scabby and stuff like that and fall off, and it's just like a whole process for the skin to renew and come back and all that stuff and like fully settle. So I'm happy. I think the shape really fits. It's basically like how I do my brows when I do them myself, and so yeah. Okay, so today is the second day of my brows. How they looking? They look the same as yesterday. I did just have to clean them with some micellar water, and also she gave me aloe vera gel as my healing gel. So that's what I have to do daily until it starts or stops scabbing. I love that I just woke up today and like got dressed and I didn't really have to do anything to my face. I mean, I just did my hair and I'm on my way out. I am going to wear a hat today. She only mentioned like if I'm really going to be out in the sun to wear a hat, but I'm not really gonna be outside today. I'm gonna be like in my car and going indoors, but I'm gonna wear it just in case. Just in case. I'm gonna have it. What else? I don't know why. I didn't think to ask about this. I didn't really, like, normally I sleep on my side, but I was kind of sleeping like not trying to have my face on the pillow. I don't know. I didn't want my brows touching the pillow because I don't know why when I went to sleep that just popped up into my head, like, don't let your brows touch the pillow. And then sometimes I sleep with an eye mask on just for the darkness, and I did not put my eye mask on last night or this morning or whatever, because I just don't want anything touching it, especially anything that like I was already using, in case it has like, you know, dirt and stuff, oil from my face before. I just don't want to touch it, and I just don't want it to touch my face. So yeah, I'm probably being extra, but it's cool. They still look the same. Amazing. And I don't have to do anything to my face anymore. and I'm gonna wear a hat today, and so we shall see how the rest of the days go. So the brows are going to be 3 weeks old tomorrow. So I am just about at the 3-week mark, and this is how they are looking. I mean, they've lightened up a little bit, but for the most part, there's not that much of a change. I really like them. I love the shape, the look, the color, all of it. I would say around the 2nd week, I started noticing a little bit of flaking, but it was very minimal. And there has still been a small bit, just a little bit of flaking that I see sometimes, like when I go to put the micellar water on it at night. Sometimes I'll notice like little flakes happening, but really like nothing crazy. I was expecting the healing process to be like a lot more annoying, or like thinking I would have to hide indoors because my brows look crazy. But the only thing I really had to do was make sure I have a hat on when I go outside so that the sun is not beating on my face. And what else? Yeah, I just wipe it with micellar water every night. I put aloe vera gel if I need to, but I really haven't needed to as much. And like I said, the flaking is very minimal. There is this little bump that appeared in here. I don't know if you could see it right there. I don't know if that's a pimple. I don't know if it's like, I don't know what it is, but yeah. I guess technically they are still healing. Technically they're still in the healing process, but I feel great. I mean, I've never had any like pain or issues or anything like that. So yeah, this is what the process has been. It was very simple. Yeah.